Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Boxster versus BMW 340i full comparison. Focus on what matters most when choosing a sports convertible or sporty sedan. I will walk through handling, engine feel, interior comfort, and ownership costs in a friendly, straightforward way. Listen for practical advice on driving enjoyment, passenger space, and real-world running costs so you can make a confident choice. Compare on road manners and engine character in a calm, conversational tone. I will describe how weight distribution affects cornering and how turbo response changes daily driving. We will explore braking confidence, steering weight, and suspension compliance for varied road surfaces. Expect clear examples that illustrate each car's strengths for spirited driving or comfortable cruising, and practical notes on tire choice and maintenance that shape real-world performance impressions. In this video, I will compare Porsche Boxster versus BMW 340i full comparison. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I mentioned earlier. They are great for trips or track days. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Talk about daily usability and long drive comfort in a friendly way that helps listeners relate. I will cover seating ergonomics, noise levels at highway speeds, and infotainment usability for commuting and road trips. We will weigh cabin materials and storage practicality against driving thrills, helping you understand trade-offs for passenger needs, cargo, and long-term comfort when choosing between a convertible and a sports sedan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.